Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the code, now connect the DNS. First, confirm your repo publishes via GitHub pages on main or GH pages because GitHub serves static sites from those branches. Next, log into your domain registrar and find DNS settings. You will need to add records. Decide whether you want the root domain or a subdomain. This affects whether you use a records or a CNAME. Once done, note TTLs so you can monitor propagation delays. Now create the DNS entries because this tells the internet where to find your site. For a root domain, you'll add the 4 GitHub records, that route's example. Com to GitHub servers. For a subdomain, add a CNAME to username. GitHub EO, which is simpler and redirects DNS resolution appropriately. If your registrar supports alias or a name at the apex, use it. Otherwise, use a records. Make sure you set an hour TTL to balance speed and cache behavior, and then save changes. Finish by telling GitHub which domain to serve. Add the custom domain in the repository, pages settings, or commit a CNAME file to the publishing branch. The file must contain the exact domain. Once DNS resolves, enable HTTPS so traffic is secured. GitHub will request a certificate, and that can take minutes to a few hours. If things go wrong, clear your DNS cache and recheck records with a dig or online lookup, because most failures trace back to DNS misconfiguration or propagation delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.